Hey everyone, it's Jen Fontanilla here. Welcome back to, the month of September's topics of life insurance. But today I want to talk about how much do you get? How much life insurance should you apply for? And so this is going to depend on obviously your own situation. So typically people in the insurance industry, generally say a rule of thumb is between 7 to 10. I've seen it as high as 12 times your annual income. And that's kind of like the general rule of how much insurance do you apply for. And again, that's also still gonna have to go through a medical, depending on how much, and also if you qualify. But going back to the 7 to 10 to 12 times your annual salary, what is that covering? So of course, there's going to be the funeral costs and medical bills and taxes. Those types of things are going to be factored in, as well as, what kind of income replacement we need for the surviving spouse and the dependents, the children, anybody that was dependent on this person's income. In this case, it would probably be you. And then finally, we have future planning, whether it would be stuff like college planning and other retirement funding like that. And so you take those things into consideration, so you come up with a number, and your agent can work with you to figure out, how much coverage do I need? At the end of the day, you can come up with this figure, but it's also going to depend, can you afford the premium? And so in my situation, when I've worked with people in the past, I'll give them an idea of what's recommended. But it comes down to what we can afford, and so you do your best. And it's going to come down to budget. If I tell you that, hey, you need X amount of coverage, and that's going to cost you, $200 a month, depending on how much the policy was going to cost you in premium every month, but you can only afford $150. Well, then if we can't find other ways to fund it or other ways to cut back so that you can afford what you need, then you'd have to lower the amount. So I just want to I want you to keep that in mind, that it's also going to come down to affordability. But that's also working out the budget and stuff. But so rule of thumb, I should say, is anywhere between 7 to 12 times your annual salary in terms of being adequately covered when it comes to life insurance. If you have any questions, send me a DM, like and comment below, and follow me. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks, everyone.